Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own peel-away notepads at home using Canva, and best of all, it's absolutely free. Whether you want to create personalized notepads for yourself, give them as thoughtful gifts, or even start selling unique designs on Etsy, this step-by-step guide is super beginner-friendly. By the end, you'll know how to design attractive, functional notepads that look so good, people will be asking, where did you get those? Alright, let's jump straight in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. If you haven't already, just sign up for a free account. It takes seconds. Now, once you're on the home screen, look for the button that says Create. Go ahead and click that. From here, you're going to choose Customize, which allows you to set up your notepad layout to the exact size you need. This is an important step. Think about how big or small you want your notepads to be. For example, a classic sticky note size is 3 by 3 inches, but you can absolutely make larger or smaller pads if that fits your style or purpose. Once you've entered your custom dimensions, hit Create New Design, and Canva will open a fresh, blank canvas for you. Now with your design space open, it's time to get creative. This is where you really start seeing your notepad come to life. Head over to the left sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar at the top, type in Paper Background. This will pull up a variety of background options that mimic the look of real notepad paper, everything from lined, dotted to more decorative patterns. Pick one that matches the vibe you're going for, just drag it over onto your canvas. This background isn't just decoration, it's going to make your final notepads look authentic and inviting to write on, rather than just a blank page. Now let's add a splash of personality. Staying in Elements, use the search bar again, but this time type in keywords for a fun graphic or illustration, anything that will make your notepads pop. Maybe you want a cute coffee cup in the corner, a floral border, or even something totally quirky like little cartoon cats. Whatever matches your personality or the vibe you're aiming to sell on Etsy, go for it. Click the graphic to add it to your design, arrange it where you want it. Usually a small corner or along the edge works best, so you leave plenty of writing space. Here's a really helpful tip. Once your graphic is in place, click on it, then look for the transparency option at the top of the screen. Lowering the transparency softens the graphic, making it subtle and not too overwhelming. This is key because you want people to still be able to easily jot notes without losing legibility. Think of it like putting a watermark in the background, decorative but never distracting. Take a moment to adjust everything until it feels balanced and easy to write on. If your first try doesn't look quite right, don't worry. Play around with placements, sizes, or even swap out the graphics until you love the look. That's the fun of Canva, it's all about experimenting. And there you have it, you've just designed your own peel-away notepad page. You can download your file to print at home or send to a local print shop, then use a little DIY magic to bind your pages together. These notepads make amazing gifts, are perfect for organizing your own life, or you can even sell batches of custom designs on Etsy and make a little extra cash. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for future designs. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy making.